Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Phantom.Strategies. So it's about 8:40 a.m. Eastern here in US. So let's cover Bitcoin, let's cover Litecoin, Ethereum, and yeah, let's do a quick technical analysis on all three of them. All right, give you some of the support level and the resistance level going up. Alright, so before we get it started, if you're new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit those notification and those bell icon so you can get this content right away. And if you think these videos are helping you with your trading, with your investing in crypto market, then do give me a thumbs up. That really means a lot. Alright, so that being said, let's get it started. Bitcoin is trading around 6,683 right now. As I said, it's 8:40 a.m. Eastern here in US. So let's do a quick recap for last couple of days. So if you go back to my video library and if you see those videos that I have made in last few days, I talked about this falling wedge action, that we can see a breakout coming up soon, and the bears were getting weaker, which occurred about around that Monday time frame, and we had a nice push all the way to that moving average and this down trend, as well as that the price point of around 7,500. And in that video I also mentioned that 7,500 will be a very critical point that we need to overcome in order to have a nice sustainable follow through. Alright, which we did not have. We had a very solid retracement yesterday. Due to there were a couple of things in the market. We had the new tariff that were introduced by China to US products. That really took a lot of global market by surprise, and obviously that weakness that came into crypto market. I have said it before that crypto market and the global market, the stock market, is not completely isolated. They are somewhat differentiated in the trading ways and all that, but if there is any major news that's coming out in the global events, then it will affect crypto market as well. So it's not like crypto market will withstand any negative impact like that. So please do keep that in mind. All right, so what we are seeing right now, we are sitting right underneath that 6,800 level. In yesterday's video I said that we need to stay over 6,800, and I still remain with that with that analysis that we need to get over 6,800 fairly soon. If we cannot get over 6,800, we will have some downward momentum, and we can see 6,200 level fairly soon. Now, if that happens, let's say today is Thursday. If that happens, if we see 6,200 level in next couple of days, in next 24 to 48 hours, I will be looking to buy some position at that price point, just because I still think the sellers are diminishing in this market. That there are sellers are getting tired, and I will be buying or adding to the position when we reach that 6,200 level in Bitcoin. All right, I continue to do the mining in Bitcoin and Ethereum. So just a disclosure, I do mining in Ethereum and Bitcoin. All right, so let's talk about let's quickly look at the the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so 4-hour, yeah, we have this resistance trend line. We really need to get over that 6,800 and then make that run toward 7,500, and perhaps a nice follow through. But again, this is there is not enough interest right now, and that can change. If we get a one down push, as I said, I will be interested in buying. I'm not touching anything right now. I'm just waiting and watching. I'm not buying or I'm not selling. I'm just waiting and watching right now. Okay, so it's at one of those junction. You just want to kind of just let the market do what it wants to do, and then you can make your decision based on how it traded in next few days, how it will trade in next few days, because right now we are in a no man's zone, if you will. It's not able to like, bears have a slight advantage right now. There's a slight advantage toward the bear side, but again, the fact that we have drastically sold off, if there is even more selling, I would be looking to add position. All right, so that's Bitcoin. Let's look at Litecoin real quick. Okay, so Litecoin, so it's coming at a major support level. Litecoin, if I'm gonna zoom this in a little bit so you can see what I'm talking about. So Litecoin have this major support level that is coming up. It's a support at right around that 112 level, and also there is a moving the trend line support, which is coming all the way from that last year 2017 mark. So there is some support for Litecoin around that 112 mark. All right, so it's a must hold support for Litecoin. We are still in a down channel in Litecoin. We haven't gotten out of that down channel, but the pressure is building. We are coming near that apex, and it will have a imminent breakout up or down fairly soon. All right, perhaps into early next week we will see an imminent breakout of this down channel, but right now we still have a few days to go to come to that apex until we see that imminent breakout. All right, so that's for Litecoin. I still like Litecoin. I sold some position at 138 mark. If it comes to that 112 level, I might be adding some more position, just because there is a lot of support in Litecoin. Ethereum. Okay, let's look at this. Is one of the the value in Ethereum is much better right now. It's been sold off pretty drastically, and I think there is a lot of value in Ethereum at this kind of level at 373. Right now it's trading at 373. There will be some kind of breakout that will occur fairly soon, because this downtrend, we are coming to that apex. So I won't be surprised if we see a nice breakout in Ethereum in next few days, if the market stays positive or have a positive move in next few days. All right, so I will be watching Ethereum, and I think there will be some breakout coming in Ethereum fairly soon. All right, so that's pretty much it, guys. Let's look at the news. CoinDesk. Crypto tax policy is just crazy. It's just cruel. Yeah, I don't think how. I'm just really curious. How are they going to track all those things? Because there is no mean to track any of these things right now. It's a really gray area. The crypto tax policy is a very gray area. It's not clear. It's not. Yeah, I don't see any major. I don't have anything to share right now on this, because it's just very it's very gray. That area is really gray, and it's I don't know how they're going to even tackle those things. So yeah, this is your typical news. Nothing that hacked coin exchange to accept, take, or bid. Yeah, I don't see anything that I would call it that would be a red flag, and run for the bunkers. But anyways, yeah, for the news, I don't see anything other than the text headline. this might makes people a little bit scary to get into the crypto market and all those stuff, but I mean, it's just a very gray area. It's very early, and I don't want to comment on this right now because it's not clear. It's really, they need to have a better policies and need to make it clear to the investors. All right. So that's pretty much it, guys. As I said, just let's do a quick recap. For Bitcoin, if we get another push down to maybe around 6,200 level, I think that's a good opportunity to add position in Bitcoin. Same thing with Litecoin. I think around 112 is a very solid opportunity in Litecoin as well. And for Ethereum, it's just been it's just ready to bounce. Ethereum right now is only 0.5% down compared to Bitcoin, which is down -1.79, Litecoin, which is down -1. So that tells you that Ethereum is, like, there are much fewer sellers in Ethereum compared to other two. I will be watching it closely. All right. So that's pretty much it, guys. I will do some altcoins later today, depending on my schedule, and we'll go from there. Talk to you soon. Bye.